Everyone, my name is Dr Khanom. I'm a health services researcher at Swansea University, and my research focus is on enabling access to healthcare for vulnerable groups. So I was the lead researcher for the first HEAR study, and I also worked with the team in HEAR2, which was the second study that was funded by Health and Care Research Wales through their research for patient and public benefit call. And we worked with Public Health Wales, our partners from the first HEAR study, and also a range of our peer researchers and new peer researchers. And one of this person, she's sitting here right next to me. Would you like to introduce yourself, Dimond?
Hello, everyone. My name is Dimond. I am originally from Iraq. I was a refugee years ago, but now I am a British citizen. Safely and thankfully, I am settled in the UK. I am an ambassador with the Voices Network, part of the Red Cross. Also, I am ambassador with the City of Sanctuary. I'm studying psychology at the moment, and I am a peer researcher with the HEAR network.
Yeah, HEAR2 study.
HEAR2 study, and anything else? No. Thank you.
I'll just explain a little bit about the HEAR2 study. So the HEAR2 study came from the first HEAR study, where we went around Wales and spoke to people seeking sanctuary. We did a whole load of questionnaires, around 200 at the time, lots of focus groups. And one of the findings from that HEAR1 study was that there was an issue around access to interpretation and access to good quality interpretation. So as part of the HEAR2 study, we then focused on looking at the experiences of people seeking sanctuary in terms of the access to interpretation and what good interpretation could look like, with the view to doing a larger full-scale trial across the UK, looking at the quality and availability of interpretation services.